DFW Fence Pro, your premier choice for top-notch residential and commercial fence services across the DFW area. From cedar to wrought iron, chain link to custom gates, we've got you covered. Our commitment? Delivering the highest quality, cost-effective fences you'll be proud of. Each installation and repair is executed safely, efficiently, and in line with local regulations. At DFW Fence Pro, fairness and respect are our standards for every customer. We take customer satisfaction seriously. Our goal? 100% satisfaction every time. With 25+ years of experience, a dedicated crew, and our owner, Mr. Blake Luby, overseeing every project, choosing us means choosing excellence. Family-owned, licensed, and insured, we're the fence contractors you can trust. For custom wood, wrought iron, cedar, chain link fences, and more in North Dallas, call DFW Fence Pro today.